Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make vintage candles. We will guide you through each step, ensuring your homemade creations evoke a classic charm. You will learn about selecting the right supplies, mastering the pouring process, and adding those special finishing touches. Get ready to transform ordinary materials into extraordinary, nostalgic pieces for your home or as thoughtful gifts. Let's begin this creative journey together. To start, select your candle containers. Thrifted teacups, small jars, or unique bowls work wonderfully for a vintage feel. Ensure they are heat-resistant and have no cracks. Next, choose your wax. Soy wax is popular for its clean burn. You will also need wicks appropriate for your container size, along with wick stickers and a centering tool. Finally, pick your favorite fragrance oils and any desired candle dyes to customize your creations. Begin by melting your wax in a double boiler, heating it to about 70 degrees Celsius, but not exceeding 80 degrees Celsius. While the wax melts, secure a wick to the bottom center of your clean vessel using a wick sticker, then use a centering tool to keep it upright. Once the wax cools to 65 degrees Celsius, stir in your fragrance oil, using up to 10% of the wax weight. Carefully pour the wax into your container, leaving about 1/2 inch from the top. After your candle has completely cooled and hardened, trim the wick to approximately 1/4 inch for an optimal burn. To enhance the vintage aesthetic, you might distress the container with a light sanding or a touch of antiquing wax. Embellish with natural twine, a small charm, or a custom-printed aged label. Finally, let your finished candles cure for at least 48 hours, or ideally 1 to 2 weeks, to ensure a strong and lasting fragrance throw.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.